Today we are going to discuss about uses of keyboard. Just as you need a pen or pencil to write something, like a computer needs a keyboard to type numbers, alphabet and sign. Let's see the image. Types of keys. A keyboard has many types of keys. Let us learn about them. First one, alphabet keys. You type a alphabet using the alphabet keys. These are marked from A to Z. And second one is number keys. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked from 0 to 9. Now let's see the special keys. Backspace key. Uses of backspace key. Backspace key erases the character on the left side of the cursor. Don't forget it. Let's see the image. And second one is space bar key. The space bar key is used to give spaces between words. And this one is the image of space bar key. And last one is enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Let's see the image. Thanks for watching a little bit computer.